Stop scrolling endlessly. I'm about to show you how to uncover hidden real estate goldmines, tired landlords with vacant properties, all using Zillow. First, head over to Zillow and enter the location you're interested in now. The magic begins. Switch from for sale to for rent. This is crucial because we're looking for vacancies, a telltale sign of a potentially tired landlord. Next, analyze each listing carefully. Look for properties that have been listed for rent for a long time. Think 30, 60, even 90 days. This indicates a struggle to find tenants and a possible desire to sell. Check the price history for reductions, another indicator of motivation. Dated interior photos or descriptions mentioning needs updating are huge red flags, suggesting the landlord may not be investing in the property. This is a major point. A landlord who may not be keeping up with their property is most likely tired of it. Dig deeper. Look for properties managed by individuals rather than large management companies. Individual landlords are often more emotionally invested and potentially more open to selling if they're tired of the hassle. Write down the addresses and contact information of promising properties. Track how long each property has been vacant and note any price reductions. This will help you prioritize your outreach. Finally, reach out to the landlord or property manager. Be polite, professional, and express your interest in potentially buying the property. Frame it as a solution to their vacancy problem, and watch the leads come in.